Amazing facts your life brain will change. Amazing our brain. Neuroscience is by far the most exciting branch of science because the brain is the most fascinating object in the universe. Every human brain is different. The brain makes each human and defines who he or she is. By Prusner. The brain is a muscle that can move the world. By Stephen King. Our brain. Fact 1. Neuroscientists have estimated that 98% of what we know about the brain we have learned within the last decade. So this is a very recent science. Our brain. Fact number 2. Our brain contains a network of about 100,000 miles of blood vessels. So long. Our brain. Fact number 3. Our brain has 100 billion neurons with a capacity to perform some 10 quadrillion operations per second. Wow. Our brain. Fact number 4. The human body is designed to treat the brain like the king it is. Our brain. Fact number 1. There is no organ in the body that receives better care than our brain. Our brain. Fact number 6. Encased in its protective bony shell, our brain weighs only 2 to 3 pounds. Our brain. Fact number 7. A mere 1 to 2% of our total body weight. Our brain. Fact number 8. Our brain consumes 20% of the air we breathe. Wow. Fact number 9. Our brain consumes 25% of our total blood flow. Fact number 10. Our brain consumes 30% of the water we consume. A lot of water. Our brain consumes 40% of all nutrients from our bloodstream. So much. Fact number 12. The brain can be divided into two broad categories based on the functions it performs. Broadly, the conscious and the non-conscious or subconscious mind. Really amazing facts, aren't they? Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. Thank you. We will see you in the next video.